today we're in Playa del Carmen, spending a day here, and just gonna look at it from a different perspective. Today, Caroline is joining me, and yeah, we're gonna see it from up above, see how that is. I've never actually been on a helicopter, so I'm quite excited to take a flight today. Just got back from the helicopter flight. That's amazing.
That's insane.
That's an awesome experience.
10 out of 10 recommend.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
From up there it looks better than down on the beach in Playa del Carmen. So I would definitely recommend take a helicopter flight in Playa del Carmen. And yeah, that's it for today. Good morning. Today I'm gonna do something very exciting. I just got here to Cork's diving center, and I'm gonna do 2 dives today. One of them at the Casa Cenote, which there should be a crocodile, so let's hope he's not very hungry today. And it's almost 8, so let's get in. Okay, we made it to the Casa Cenote. Today Carlos will be my guide for the dive, and let's put on some gear and jump in there for 2 o'clock. Just finished that first dive. We got quite close to the actual crocodile. So, well, that's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, I think. Well, not for the guys, but for me. Oh, well, that was amazing. On to the next one. Let's have a lunch first. second cenote we're gonna dive in, and this one is Dos Hoyos. It's basically 2 holes connected with tunnels on the water. So we're gonna swim through the tunnels and through some bat cave. So we'll have to see what kind of bass they have and how many. Anyway, let's put on the gear again and jump in the water. So, well, just got back from the diving, and let me say, that first dive, just getting that close to a crocodile in the water, that's that's sick. And second dive in the cave, as my, well, I've done in total like maybe 8 dives, and doing a cave dive is something different. I'll be honest, I had a little problem like balancing my ears, and at one point I was kind of panicking, like this isn't going away, and well, you're in a cave, so there's no way out. So I was starting to think like, I need to get up, but well, you can't. So I was just telling myself like, if you're gonna freak out, you're gonna die. So calm the fuck down, and I did. So I continued to dive, and it was pretty amazing. So cave diving is not for everyone, I guess, including me. It was still a fun one, and my ears are still hurting for a bit. It'll go away in like probably a day or 2, but yeah. Well, anyway, very fun dive. I booked it at Cook's, I think, which had a very nice guide. He was very calm and friendly dude. Anyway, those were 2 beautiful dives, and I would definitely recommend this place to go for your diving, because it was perfect. So, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Of course, see ya.